Another big step towards next summer's World. It's the Dutch to get us off and underway. Which iteration with victory for the... Finland have got good numbers back, but Dumfries does that ahead of Koski, another young defender. There's a neat little exchange. Is the Netherlands up 7 minutes in through. Young to Clover. And then a nice little give and go again. Just takes a beat. Decides it's a foul. Left just to make sure. Kakpo, this one. Clive had to scurry and get there. Van Dijk hits the defender in front of him. Really well there, Jurien Timber. But the referee, Slavko Vincic, points to the spot. And things could... It is Memphis against Jesse Jorona. Memphis Depay, 3-0 atmosphere in the Johan Cruyff Arena. So, we're with Keskinen, who has Lehtimäki on one side. Finland's first corner and a header from Tenho, which very nearly gave Färjestad a few problems. Go, and brings up another corner. Could save that. It was opening up for him, why not? Got a stronger pair of gloves on that. With Ake. As the Mexican wave rolls around again. Cody Kakpo pulls his foot and finds the corner. 3 goals. Cody Kakpo, who popped in 2 from the penalty spot against Malta and has fired in here to make it 4. Payment might be over. Kakpo. Is it Lurd? And it's Robin Lurd, who pops it through. Here's Schulman. Best chance of the game. The Netherlands of height and the dip. Just grazing the back of the net on the outside. They netted away in Malta. Up in the closing stages, the Dutch. They have won here in Amsterdam by 4 goals to 0.